As you might already know from my previous video, Amazon may release new Fire Sticks and Fire TV devices in the next few years with their own in-house software installed. This means that sideloading in Fire TV might become a thing of the past. As a result, some of you may wonder what the best alternative is to use if and when this happens. So over the next few weeks, I'll look at other options and find out how good they are, starting with the cheapest alternative at under $15. Let's take a look. It's really important to protect your sensitive information while using the internet. The good news is that NordVPN can help keep your data safe and secure. Plus, Nord is more than just a VPN, with added benefits such as freeing you from any streaming restrictions. Don't miss out on the best VPN deal available right now. Check out the links provided in the description to get started and stay protected. This streaming stick boasts many impressive features, including Google TV, Dolby Audio, full HD streaming, and easy sideloading. It comes equipped with a quad-core processor, 1.5 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of storage, all for less than $15. It's the new On streaming stick from Walmart, which gives Amazon HD Fire TV sticks a run for their money. Now, unfortunately for some, however, the On streaming devices from Walmart are only available in the US. So it took some time to figure out how to get one delivered to me here in the UK. With shipping fees added, it's not a cost-effective option for someone living outside of the US. However, as Walmart's devices are pretty popular and more than half of my channel viewers are from the US, I have been asked to give my opinion and review the product. If you're not in the US, don't worry, as I will also be checking out other streaming devices that are more widely available in the next coming weeks. When comparing the 2023 On streaming stick to the budget option in the Amazon Fire TV Stick range, the On streaming stick outperforms the Fire TV Stick Lite on several factors. Firstly, the Fire TV Stick Lite is usually priced at $29.99 when it's not on offer, whereas the On stick costs just $14.88, less than half the price. Secondly, one of the key differences is the amount of RAM. While the Fire TV Stick Lite has only 1 GB of RAM, the On stick boasts 1.5 GB. This difference in RAM capacity translates to better performance, with the On stick achieving a higher benchmarking score using Geekbench 5. And thirdly, the On stick has an upgraded operating system. It runs on Android 12 with Google TV skin on top and has Netflix certification, whereas Amazon's Lite runs an older version of Android 9. The remote is a nice size and is user-friendly. It includes all of the buttons you would expect to find on a remote, like volume control, home, settings, and 4 quick launch buttons for popular apps. However, from an aesthetic point of view, I would have preferred it to be black to match the colour of the stick. The Google TV interface shares some similarities with the Fire TV. Both have a large advertisement displayed at the top of the screen, followed by recommendations below. However, unlike Fire TV, Google TV has fewer options displayed at the top of the screen. These options include For You, which is the home screen, Movies and Shows to browse through movies and TV shows, Apps with direct access to the App Store and your installed apps, and Library, where you can find your watch list and rentals. Additionally, you can find the search and settings options on the other side of the screen. One downside of Google TV is that sideloaded apps may not always appear on the apps screen. For instance, I sideloaded Geekbench 5 to perform performance tests, but it's not listed on my app screen. The only way to access it is by navigating to the settings, selecting apps, then see all apps, and finally I can find and open Geekbench from the list. Not only is that inconvenient, but it's also frustrating, as with Fire TV you don't get that problem. Any sideloaded app can easily be accessed from your app screen, and you can even add it to your home row for quick access. Despite its benchmarking score outperforming the FireTVStick Lite, I found the on-stick to be a little slow and laggy when it came to navigation and opening apps. It took 22.10 seconds for the Netflix app to load to the profile screen from a cold start, compared to 18.13 seconds on the Lite. The on-stick has 8 GB of storage capacity. I have installed a few apps, and there were some pre-installed ones such as Disney+, Prime Video and YouTube. Upon checking the storage space in the settings, it shows that out of 8 GB, only 5.1 GB are available for use. And right now, 3 GB of that space is being taken up by apps, leaving only 2 GB of free space. Now, although the storage capacity is limited, it's not much different to most Fire TV devices. Generally, storage is always at a minimal, particularly if you prefer to install lots of applications or Kodi with several add-ons or a build. However, external storage can be added to the device. An OTG cable or adapter is required, but it's simpler to use than USB storage with a Fire TV. As soon as I attach USB storage, it's immediately recognised, even if it's currently in an unsupported format. You can select the USB and choose between using it as removable or device storage. The device will then take care of everything, including formatting. I tested the Wi-Fi speed and it works fine without any issues. I used the Analytics app and ran a quick test on the on-stick to check the speed. The test results showed that I can achieve fast speeds of over 300 megabits per second, which is more than enough for streaming in Full HD, the maximum resolution that the stick supports. I reran the test to verify the results, and it confirmed that the Wi-Fi in the stick was working perfectly. Of course, it wouldn't be a viable option as a replacement for Fire TV if it couldn't sideload, and I can confirm that there are no issues doing that whatsoever. Like Fire TV, you can enable developer options, install downloader, and allow downloader permission to install unknown apps from other places like my website. If you want to check out my detailed tutorial on how to do that, check out the video in the link above or in the description below. In summary, the on-streaming stick available at Walmart is a great device that offers comparable features to Amazon's HD Firestick at a very reasonable price. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly streaming device, then the on-streaming stick is worth considering. However, it's important to note that Walmart also offers a 4K streaming box priced at only $19.88, just $5 more than the HD stick. For this reason, it's worth exploring the 4K option if you're looking for a more advanced streaming experience and are able to increase your budget a little more. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you considering getting an on-device, or do you already have one? Either way, I'd love to hear your opinions. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and help to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers. And I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow. Don't forget that online privacy and security are more important now than ever before, and NordVPN is an excellent choice. I use it almost every day to help me unblock internet restrictions when streaming, such as this. With NordVPN connected, I can watch the content I enjoy from anywhere. You can easily download and install NordVPN's user-friendly app on all your devices, including Firestick, by searching for it in your App Store. With NordVPN, simply connect to any one of their servers to ensure that your online activities are unrestricted and protected from prying eyes and potential cyber threats. The Nord app has some very useful features for your Firestick, including threat protection to help keep your device safe from potential security threats by blocking access to malicious websites. Plus, AutoConnect makes connecting to a secure server a breeze by automatically connecting to a network without having to manually do it every time you want to use the internet. Split tunneling lets you choose which apps or websites use the VPN connection and which ones use your regular internet connection. These settings and features are essential for anyone who wants to have a secure and personalised online experience. Check out the links in the video description for the best deals and try it now, completely risk-free for 30 days. As you might, however, as Moma